hello to everyone. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from similar triangles of 10th class. The question is, in the given figure, angle ADE. Angle ADE is equals to angle P. Angle ADE is equals to angle B. Then we have to show that ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Okay. So here, what you can say, angle ADE equals to angle B, which is given, and angle A is common for both triangles, right? For both triangles, angle A is common. Next, one more, what you can say, from triangle ABC, what you can say, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees, right? Sum of all the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. But what is angle? Okay, let it be angle A plus angle B plus, here it is given at angle C it is 90. So substitute that 90 degrees equals to 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B equals to 90 degrees. Right? Take it as 1. Now take from triangle ADE. Angle A plus angle ADE plus angle AED equal to 180 degrees. Means this triangle, this small part. But what is ADB? So angle A plus angle B plus angle AED equals to 180 degree. But we know A plus B, angle A plus B is 90. From 1, we can say angle A plus angle B equals to 90 degrees. So 90 degrees plus angle AED equal to 180 degree. Then angle AED equals to 90 degree. Therefore, angle AED equals to angle C. Okay. Now what you can see, ma? Here this is one angle, this is second angle, and this is third angle. Means the two triangles from the following from the above, we can say three angles of each triangle are equal, and so we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. So first one is proved. Understood, ma? Here it is clearly specified that at angle C it is 90 degrees. Right? Next, second bit. What is given? Second bit what? We have to find DE. Means this length. It is given AD. AD is 3.8. Next, AE. AE is 3.6. And BE. BE is 2.1. And BC is 4.2 centimeters. We have to find the D. Okay. So before that, what we can say, as the triangles are similar, okay, what we can say, AE by AB equal to wait. AD by AB. How you can say AD by AB? Because AED is equal to ACB, right? AED equals to angle C. This angle is equals to this angle, right? Then the opposite sides for the equal angles are also equal. Okay, in that sense you take what you will get here, what you will get here. AED, opposite side is AD, is equals to angle C, opposite side is AB. Then how can you write this as? This can be written as AD by AB equals to 1. You take this as A. Next what? So next what ma here? From we know that angle A is common, right? Angle A is common. That implies for that side, what is the angle A is common? So DE by DE equal to BC. DE equals to BC. This what we can write? DE by BC equals to 1. This is you take B. So from A and B, what you can say, both are equal. Means AD by AB equals to DE by BC. Understood what I did? Here, these angles are equal. So the sides of these angles are also equal, opposite. The sides opposite to these angles are also equal. That's why I equated. Like this you will get. Okay. Now substitute the values here. What is AD value? AD is 3.8 by what is AB? AB is nothing but AE plus EB, which is equals to DE. We have to find DE by what is BC value? 4.2. Okay. Next, that implies what you will get here, AE plus EB. What is AE value? AE is 3.6, BE is 2.1. 3.8 by 3.6 plus 2.1. Is it correct? 3.6, 2.1. Okay. That equals to DE we have to find. DE by 4.2. Next what? Here we have to find DE, right? So DE is equals to what you will get? 3.8 into 4.2 by this comes this side, right? Here 3.6 plus 2.1 is nothing but 5.7. Okay. Now directly cancel. This in 3 table it will go, that is 1.9 times. That is 19 3s 57. Here only 1 point is there. 1 decimal place is there. So in the quotient also you will get 1 decimal place. Here what you will get? 3. In 3 table 4.2 is nothing but 1.4, right? 4.2 is nothing but 1.4. And 1.9 again in 3.8 it takes 0.2. So DE is equals to 0.2 into 1.4, which is equals to, put into 28 and 2.8. Sorry, here only 2, not 0.2. Got it? 2.8 centimeter. That is the form of value of DE. Got it? If you have any doubts or suggestions or any corrections, you can specify that in the comment section. Okay?